All right, Pedro, we're gonna do this plumbing rough inspection. So, you want to show us what you want me to test?
So this is a kitchen sink, hot and cold.
Okay.
We have here the washing machine and dryer here.
Okay.
This is the guest bathroom.
Okay.
We have one sink over here. As you can see the tub,
Sink, toilet, at the tub, shower. So usually we're gonna check for a leak in the tub.
This is the master bathroom.
So usually I'll check for a leak.
Double lamps.
Make sure you got no leak coming out of the tub here. You know, make sure that the shower pan held water for at least 15 minutes.
This is the top out for this unit.
Check for the stability with the top out. Looks pretty stable. Hangers, got all hangers intact. So we got all the hangers and no leaks. You want to put a gauge on there so we can check the pressure?
The gauge I have downstairs.
Okay. Yeah, you want to go grab the gauge real quick so we can put it, check that pressure. And make sure we got the right pressure. Make sure the pipes are stable. You know, we also look for fire caulking. Might have him put another strap on this to make this a little bit more sturdy. So make sure that the tub got water in it. What I usually do is have them put a mark on the line of the tub. When they fill up the tub, I have them put a mark on the line of the tub where the water meets, and I come back and check it in 15-20 minutes to make sure it didn't drop. You know, if it drops, maybe there's a leak in the tub, or sometimes it drops because of condensation, but for the most part, you'll be able to tell if there's a leak, you know, usually in the back here. You'll see some type of watermark that tells you, hey, you got a leak. All right. All right. Look at these traps also. Kind of take a look at this in conjunction with the drawings, you know, make sure. Look at the drawings on this particular job. I've been coming here, you know, about 6 months now, so I'm pretty familiar with the drawings. So everything that's installed here is pretty much in line with the approved drawings. We got the pressure gauge.
This way.
Okay. So we got 100 psi. Okay, good pressure. All right. Pretty good install with PEX.